Hey everybody, GoPro just made a new announcement on a new camera, and I'm going to talk about what's different between the new Hero 13 and the Hero 12. Yeah, I'm not in Texas today. You can actually see my breath. It's cold up here in the mountains of Colorado where I got some work to do, but don't cry for me too much. This is great compared to the heat. So, alright, GoPro announced a new Hero. This is the 12, but they've got a new 13. So what's different? There's 5 things. First of all, the new one comes with some new lenses. And now the lenses themselves, if you bought the whole package, is actually more expensive than the camera itself. So the Hero 12 was about $400. Now they discounted the Hero 12 and maybe $100, and the 13 is now $400. But then it's $500 for all the lenses. The lenses are the cool thing, and you can do a lot of neat cinematic stuff if you're inclined towards that kind of stuff. So that's a plus. However, they have finally changed the body slightly, which now means all the stuff from Heroes 9, 10, 11, 12, those are all compatible. Batteries, everything else. Now they're not. So the Hero 13 will have a new battery. Now the battery is a better battery. It lasts about, I think they're saying about 10 to 20% longer. So, but they are not backwards compatible. So you have to start getting new batteries and stuff, which I don't like. I did like on the 9, 10, 11, and 12 that it was all compatible. However, you know, now it's a bigger battery, so it'll last better. So another thing, they've improved the HDR. If you know what that is, it's basically where if you've got a wide range between the brightest thing to the darkest thing, HDR will enable the image to be able to see the dynamic range better. That's the layman's definition of HDR. So it's a little bit better. The other thing they have inside is slightly better slow motion rates for the higher quality stuff. So if you're into slow motion now at the highest quality of 5.3K, you can now run a little slower on your slow motion. So all in all, the fifth thing, it's now got magnetic mounts, and plus the quarter turn 20, the quarter 20 turn screw that we use a lot in video. So that's not new for a lot of the other cameras and stuff, but it's new for GoPro. I don't have to worry about that as much because my 67 designs, I have a magnetic mount in that, and these can just go quickly into that, and I love my magnetic mounts for the GoPros. Oh, and I forgot to mention, they have a new Mini. They did that with the 11, and I have the Mini. It's got some pros and cons. There have been times I needed something smaller, but the problem is there's no battery that you can, if it runs out, you can just pop a new one in. You have to charge it with a USB to be able to get it to work. So now the 13 has a new Mini as well. I think it only goes up to 4K and not the 5.3. The Mini 11 went to 5.3K. So I don't know if that's a big improvement or not on the Mini. All right, so that's the 5 new things. Is it worth it? You know what? It's the same price as what the 12 was. So the 12 is a great camera. I do like the HDR. I do like the longer batteries. I don't like that there's if I bought a bunch of new lenses, they're not backwards compatible with the 12. So those are the pros and cons. It's on pre-order as of today, actually yesterday, but you can, it's shipping like tomorrow, so you'll be able to get it pretty quick. So that's the rundown on the Hero 13 versus the Hero 12. We'll see you later.